So hello everyone, welcome to our channel again. So today we are going to show you our rice field and our rice. And yeah, they already start today the thresher. They harvested this morning, and then lunch is the thresher, and later they will use the blower after they eat lunch. Look at this. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 people. 8 people doing this. And also my father. Wow, it seems like they harvest a little bit this time. Oh, it's flying. Goes to me. Wow, they have buko here. Wow. Yeah, that is the treasure that James and I bought because of Carabao. Tatay sold the Carabao to us, and that's where my father used the money to buy a treasure, because there's not a lot of people that having a treasure here. And before, we just rent it from our neighbor, but they are not going in time. Look at this. The greens and everything. Oh, I think the insect really damaged our rice. Wow, I am using microphone, guys, because it's a little bit noisy if I don't use. Yeah, look at our rice. There are some that is no good already, because they go here a little bit late than what my father expected they come. Princess is there enjoying the cool weather. She's pregnant now. Yeah, that's the life here in the province, guys. We harvest rice twice a year, and then that is not upland rice. That is the rice that need water. And people here are very fast when they harvest rice. They only harvest half a day, and then in just one day they finish it. My mother is cooking their food there. Here in the province, we are sharing the rice. We're not paying them. We're not paying them money. We are paying them rice, and then of course free food. And yeah, I hope we can get a lot this year. That is the good ones right there in the 2 sacks, and then after that they will use blower to separate. Wow, it's so windy. Look at that. It's dangerous also. My father is not using the thresher because it's scary. Even me, you put your hand there inside, you need to be careful. Yeah. That is good compost also, guys. This leaves of rice. Before, I'm giving that to our rabbits. It's flying. kids already goes to us guys to harvest because they cannot leave their kid in their house. If they are working in the field, the kids goes also. That's why the kids here used to work already, even they are young. Even me before. Yeah. That's how people make their kids tough here. My father have belt also. This is the belt that my father using in case it break. Because last time it break, guys. Wow, they are using these leaves to bundle it. It's coconut, young coconut leaves. I'm excited to count how many sacks we can get today. Wow, they are fast. As you can see, Kuya there is putting inside of sack now some good ones. Look at that, the pressure. He's making sure that the peel goes away. Yeah. Kuya knows what he's doing. Hello, princess. How are you? How's your baby inside? Yeah, my father making sure that she don't go there, guys, because that water is hot. My father really taking good care of our carabao here because yeah, she's pregnant, guys, and hopefully after 9 months she will have a baby calf, and James and I really excited to have another carabao here. Yeah, my father really taking care of our princess, but my father have share also, guys, of this carabao because he's the one who taking care of it. Yeah, we bought it 50,000 pesos for my father. Yeah, she's small but she's fatty and cute. Yeah. Carabao don't like hot weather. Wow, we have many sacks there now, oh. We have 2 bundles left before we finish. We have already here 2, 4, 6, 7 sacks. The last one. We didn't made video earlier, guys, that how they harvest it because we attend mass and yeah, they are fast. Yeah, we don't have left. No rice left. It's a final. The kids are helping also. Wow. Yeah, every drop counts. They're very careful, guys, that even one rice should not waste. So Kuya is preparing now to off the thresher. He is the operator. Wow, it's done now. Tata is getting his cow. He gonna bring here, I think, or he let his carabao drink water there. Yeah, let's check. He gonna drink water. That's Tatay's bull. His favorite bull. Yeah, he will drink water there. Near rice field. That's our drinking water Tatay have. Our drinking water came from that well. That's how we get our water here in the mountain. Yeah, and they are preparing now the treasure to bring at home. They remove already the engine from the body. La, who will carry that? Kiriti na ano makaron Babong upa nga ni. Yeah, they are bringing now our rice here. They will use this later. This area where they use blower. Hi. 8 sack only. We got a little bit this time compared to last year because of the insect. The tanangaw really damaged our rice. A lot of seeds, but there's no inside. They are eating it.
How are they doing now?
They're done now. It's not a lot, James.
Oh.
It's only 8 sack.
Why?
The insect damaged it.
Again?
Yeah.
I thought they were going to spray it.
Huh?
I thought they were going to spray it.
Yeah, but they are immune already to the...
What kind of spray are they using?
Maybe... Tatay only know. I'll ask later. They are a lot. This is our lunch for our workers. We have chicken and rice, of course. And then Nanay put papaya on it, and then chili leaves. Yeah, and they have also here they have also a tanduay. Tanduay for the workers. What do you think, Nay? Not good. It's only how many sacks we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. Nay, no? Not much, guys. Our rice is not much. Yeah, the rain also. Because of rain, damage our rice. Oh, and they will use this blower later. Oh, our dalandan is already gone. It's much last time. I think a lot of people getting it now here. They are not asking because it's very close to the road, guys. If people are hungry, they just come here and then get it. Wow, a lot of people enjoying here. Huh?
Can you take this?
Yeah.
I'm
What you gonna do with that?
I'm playing.
You are playing?
Yeah,
You should use knife. You should use knife to cut that.
But I don't know.
Ano? Wow, they are now start the blower stage. Nice, it's pretty neat. That is Kamasuki brand engine.
How do I turn the microphone? There we are.
What can you say, James?
Don't stand too close to that fan.
My hair can't go there.
Huh?
My hair.
Yeah, don't let your hair grow there.
Yes, ang Pinay. I miss you,
They're having the same problem here with the bugs that they did before. And Karen told me that they knew what was wrong and they were gonna handle it. So they didn't. They're telling me now it's because the bugs are resistant to the chemical they use, but they should have figured that out last time. They're gonna have to change chemicals and increase their spray schedule, or it's just going to happen again, because I think their harvest is about 40% reduced from what it used to be. So there's not a lot I can do about it except talk to Karen and Tatai through Karen. But 40%, they really should just do whatever it takes to get somebody out here, either spray it, Tatai spray it, or hire somebody else to spray it with a different chemical. But it is what it is. What do you think, Kara?
It's really...
Tanduay.
You can go with them, James. Tanduay. You wanna join them with Tanduay?
I didn't do any work. I don't have to serve any tanduay. What? You want me to drink in tanduay?
No,
And then we'll get on the motorcycle and go down that hill?
without motorcycle, maybe. We will go down the hill without motorcycle. You slide there.
Like you who drank the the red horse last night. Then you crashed the drone, and then
It's my fault.
and then when I climbed down the mountain to get it, you started a rock slide and nearly killed me.
Sir,
and then
you're making a story.
You're screaming, B! I told you not to climb B. and then you kicked the rocks loose, and I nearly got
So you're making story, James.
died under a pile of rocks.
Maybe the people.
Let's follow Wade. Let's vlog the Tanduay. Let's see it. Tanduay, Skylar. There it
While you're there, you're just looking there. Don't bad. That's bad for your health, right?
The tanduay.
Tanduay.
That's for.
How about your father? Is he drinking tanduay? Yeah.
Always.
Always your father? Every evening he's drinking?
No, every night.
Every night. Oh. What you should advise your father not to drink tanduay?
I let go him. I don't care him.
Why? You're being mean to your father because he's not listening if you tell him not to
Yes.
drink? Oh, your father is...
And mom said, don't drink, then he's gonna drink.
Oh, he's not listening? Is
Yeah.
your father a dictator like Tito James? He's not listening?
He's
Oh.
not listening.
He's not listening. Oh.
Naganingo, may makit ka ba do?
Yeah, he drink now, he said. Even now, he drink there because it's Sunday and there's no work. So, they drink.
Why doesn't he climb a mountain?
He's not climbing the mountain. He don't want to get tired, you know?
We should have a
have
log splitting competition. We can split firewood on Sundays.
Do you guys also drink lambanog? No, lambanog is too strong.
Lambanog is
Lambanog.
distilled
Yeah.
coconut
that's-
wine?
Yeah, that's lambanog.
Okay. We
Like
haven't
color
tried it.
wine.
Is that what they had on the table down there last night in Monica? Remember?
That is tuba. Lambanog and tuba is different.
Okay. That was tuba?
The lambanog is color white, which is very strong. That have much.
We should have stayed over there for a while. Ton might have been able to find a wife there.
Tuntun again.
Yeah.
You are not tuntun, maybe you.
I already have one.
Oh, sis.
Besides, some of them girls looked even meaner than you.
Us. He's just being nice in camera, guys.